So today I'm going to show you fantastic overnight oats with a twist. I'm going to blend them today. For this you will need 1 cup of oats, some milk, honey, I shrunk the kids, peanut butter, some natural Greek yogurt, chia seeds or chia? Anyway, these kind of seeds. And then I'm going to be using some vanilla extract. This is from a well-known brand. I'm not sponsored by them. Wish I was, but I'm not. This just adds a little bit more flavour. You can add just normal, regular vanilla extract. I'm going to show you how. 1 cup of rolled oats into a blender. 1 cup of milk. Into the blender. Next, natural yogurt. 1, 2, or 1/3 of a cup. I like saving dishes, to be honest, so a spoon will do. Teaspoon of vanilla extract. We've used a few squirts of this. Add in the peanut butter. Next, the honey. Top tip coming up. If you heat your spoon with hot water, the honey slips right off. How's about that? Everything nice in the blender there. Looks delicious. But I promise you, it will taste divine. Over to my blending station. Oh. Plug the bad boy in. And then let it do its magic. And then we're taking a mix, popping that into a suitable sized jar. And sprinkle over some chia seeds. 1 dessert spoon will be fine. Give that a bit of a mix. And there you have your overnight oat mixture. Pop that in the fridge. We'll do the rest in the morning. It's morning! Let's have a look at these oats. Ooh, I think my jar might be a bit big. Well, that is looking pretty good. Time for the fruit. So I'm just going to be adding blackberries, raspberries, and a bit of kiwi. It's up to you what you use, but this is the star of the show. Okay, now for the fruit. And just for a little bit of crunch, I'm going to add a sprinkle of granola, just because I can. And there, ladies and gents, we have it. That is going to keep me full until the kids come home, I think. Let's have a go.